Hey beautiful souls! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm so excited to have you join us on this magical journey. Tonight, we're diving deep into the enchanting world of full moon manifestation rituals. Have you ever gazed up at the full moon and felt a stirring in your soul? That subtle whisper reminding you that you're connected to something so much bigger than yourself? Well, that's because the full moon isn't just a stunning sight, it's a powerful ally in amplifying our intentions and bringing our deepest desires to life. So, grab a cozy blanket, light your favorite candle, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why the full moon is such a big deal in the realm of manifestation. The moon has been our cosmic companion since the dawn of time, influencing not just the tides of the oceans, but also the tides within us. Just as the moon's gravitational pull affects the ebb and flow of the seas, it also stirs our emotions and energy levels. During the full moon, this energy reaches a peak, making it a potent time for introspection, release, and powerful intention setting. Think of the full moon as nature's spotlight, illuminating everything that was once hidden in the shadows. It's a time when our intuition is heightened, and we can see our desires and ambitions with crystal clarity. Alright, now that we've tapped into the magic of the full moon, it's time to prepare for our ritual. 1. Setting the space. Creating a sacred space is essential. Find a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. This could be a cozy corner in your room, a peaceful spot in your backyard, or anywhere you feel connected. Begin by cleansing the area. You can use sage, Palo Santo, or incense, whatever resonates with you. As the smoke drifts, imagine it sweeping away any lingering negativity, making room for positive energy to flow. 2. Gathering your tools. Here are some items you might want to have. A journal and pen to jot down your intentions. Candles, white or silver candles are great for lunar energy. Crystals like moonstone, clear quartz, and citrine, which are perfect for manifestation. Essential oils such as lavender or frankincense to enhance relaxation. Remember, these tools aren't mandatory. Your intention is the most powerful element of this ritual. Now, let's dive into the ritual itself. Step 1. Grounding meditation. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling peace, exhaling tension. Visualize roots extending from your feet, anchoring deep into the earth. Feel her supportive energy rising up through you, grounding and centering your spirit. Step 2. Set clear intentions. Open your journal and begin writing down what you wish to manifest. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want abundance," you might write, "I am attracting financial prosperity through a fulfilling and impactful career." Focus on how achieving this will make you feel. Joyful? Secure? Inspired? Emotions are powerful fuel for your intentions. Step 3. Visualization. Close your eyes again and picture yourself living out your desires. Engage all your senses. What does it look like? How does it feel? What sounds surround you? Is there a particular scent in the air? Immerse yourself fully in this vision. The more vivid, the better. Step 4. Affirmations. Speak your intentions aloud. Affirmations could be: I am open to receiving all the abundance life offers me. I create my reality with positive thoughts and actions. I am aligned with the energy of love and prosperity. Feel the truth in your words as you speak them. Step 5. Express gratitude. Take a moment to express gratitude to the universe, the moon, yourself. Thank you, universe, for supporting my dreams. I am grateful for the limitless possibilities before me. Gratitude raises your vibration and strengthens your connection with the universe. Step 6. Seal the ritual. To complete the ritual, you can safely burn the paper with your intentions, letting the smoke carry them into the universe. Fold the paper and place it under your pillow or keep it on your altar. Choose what feels right to you. Want to take your ritual a step further? Here are some additions you might love. Create moon water. Place a jar of fresh water under the moonlight overnight. Keep it sealed. The next day, you can drink it to internalize the moon's energy. Add it to a bath for a cleansing soak. Water your plants, sharing the energy with them. Moon water carries the essence of lunar energy, extending the full moon's benefits into your daily life. Crystal charging. Lay out your crystals under the full moon to cleanse and recharge them. They'll absorb the lunar energy, enhancing their natural properties. Journaling prompts. Deepen your reflection with these prompts. What am I ready to release to make room for new blessings? How will manifesting my desires change my life and the lives of others? What limiting beliefs do I need to let go of? Writing helps solidify your intentions and uncover insights you might have missed. Here's the thing about manifestation: it's as much about mindset as it is about action. Believe and trust. Have unwavering faith that your intentions are manifesting. Doubt creates resistance. Let go of attachment. Release the need to control the how and when. Trust that the universe has its divine timing. Stay open to opportunities. Be vigilant for signs and opportunities that align with your desires. The universe often responds in unexpected ways. Consistency is key. Making this ritual a monthly practice strengthens your manifesting abilities. Each full moon brings fresh energy to work with. To ensure your manifestation process is smooth, watch out for these common stumbling blocks. Negative self-talk. Words hold power. Speak kindly to yourself. Replace "I can't" with "I'm learning to." Lack of clarity. Vague intentions yield vague outcomes. Be clear and specific about what you want. Impatience. Remember, everything unfolds in divine timing. Patience keeps your vibration high and aligned with your desires. As we wrap up, remember this: you are a powerful creator. By aligning with the energy of the full moon, you're tapping into a vast reservoir of potential. I encourage you to embrace this ritual, make it your own, and watch the magic unfold in your life. And hey, why not share your experiences? Drop a comment below about how this ritual worked for you or any personal touches you added. Let's inspire each other. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow moon lovers, and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our next cosmic adventure. Thank you for joining me on this lunar journey. Until next time, keep shining your light and manifesting your dreams. Sending you all love and moonlight. Bye.